Now more than ever, the energy industry is relying on supply chains. So what does this supply chain look like? ESA News Desk breaks it down for you with this visual representation. Let's start off with the manufacturers in the supply chain, like Dynapower.
Dynapower is a 55-year-old business really solving power and energy challenges. In the first several decades, large-scale industrial, mining applications, as well as military. And a lot of that skill, experience, capabilities really lent itself to being able to jump into the energy storage world.
Moving on to the ES Tech manufacturing testing portion of the supply chain.
We're really focused on the grid scale and also the distribution scale. So on the grid scale, we're basically in the market to actually support the operation of the grid with the intermittency, the inherent intermittency of renewables for technical reasons.
Next up is the government, nonprofit, and academic.
You have to know what your market is. You have to know where the locations are, and then you can really go after certain things, certain technologies, and you can prove them out really by tying them into the grid, for example, creating an environment for the testing that is for real. And that's what we are after.
Fluence Energy represents the project developer, IPP, in the supply chain. Fluence is the result of two industry powerhouses joining together to form a new company.
It opened up a number of things. Technology, for example, so we're able to bring two well-established platforms together. C-Storage on the Siemens side, Avancion on the AES side, and a new platform called Sunflex, which is a offering for solar and storage.
Regulated utility is the next stop in the supply chain.
We are the system owner, or transmission system owner, and as well as gas distribution in the UK, and the system operator. In the US, more local, and right here in Massachusetts, we're the electric distribution company.
Next up are the consultants.
I think Customized Energy Solutions is in the right space. Our president, Stephen Fernandes, is committed to creation of a new technologies, new markets. We're not only in the grid scale storage space, we're in the distributed energy storage space.
And then comes legal, which is represented by K&L Gates.
Maybe you could tell us a little more about the strategy. What is it that the companies each are bringing? How do you see those complementing each other?
Rounding out this supply chain are grid operators, ISOs and RTOs, building and energy manufacturing, software and IT, finance and insurance, and municipal and co-op utilities.